kudos. Kudos. Now finally inside, all set now, ready to race. Race number 1 here, Santa Ana Park. And the race is on. It's a jump start beginning for entry number 4, Speedmaker. From the outside is Kudos. And running by the Ralda favorite, Reyes Angel, eye to eye. And Sir J-Boy is the early trailer. Speedmaker by about 3 lengths. Kudos in second. And racing by the Rallis Reyes Angel, eye to eye, is racing forward by another 3 lengths. And Sir J-Boy still running at the tail of the field. And inside the last 700, Speedmaker, Kudos to grab the lead and rushing up in between runners, Reyes Angel, and closing in for the eye to eye, Sir J-Boy still running at the tail of the field as they race the last 500. Kudos by a length and up, Reyes Angel. Eye to eye on the outside, Speedmaker as they race the last 300. Reyes Angel to grab the lead. Eye to eye on the outside with the last 150 meters more to run. Eye to eye, Reyes Angel by the rail. Eye to eye, Reyes Angel. And finally, the icebreaker. Eye to eye, Reyes Angel. Kudos. Sir J-Boy and Speedmaker.